record. I did it with my BlackBerry, and it actually works out. It's quite clear doing it this way. Yeah. Can you email it to everyone? Here we go. This is the bit.
You think she doesn't need the prism? Only about 50%.
And on this one you can actually see the number plate. Did you know that?
Oh really?
Yeah, look. And you put the whole screen up. And I'll put
Someone's waiting for this? Yes.